Thinking about relocating from Indiana to Georgia? Whether it's for a new job, family, or warmer weather, a long-distance move can feel overwhelming. Today, I'll walk you through what to expect, from planning your timeline to choosing a reliable mover, and explain how 3 Movers helps make your move smooth and stress-free. First things first, plan ahead. Long-distance moves like Indiana to Georgia go much smoother when you lock down your moving date early. Try to schedule at least 4 to 6 weeks ahead. This gives you time to pack, organize, and avoid last-minute stress. Start by creating a simple checklist with key dates, and don't forget to set aside time for decluttering before packing. Packing smart isn't just about boxes. It's about efficiency and protection. Label your boxes by room and contents, use sturdy materials, and wrap fragile items carefully. Group similar items together so unloading in Georgia feels organized. And if packing feels like too much, that's okay. Professional movers can handle it for you. For a move like Indiana, Georgia, choosing the right movers makes all the difference. You want trustworthy professionals with long-distance experience, accurate quotes, and great communication. That's where 3 Movers comes in. They've helped thousands of families relocate with personalized service and dependable crews that take the worry out of moving day. Moving from Indiana to Georgia doesn't have to feel impossible. With a good plan and the right team, you can focus on what matters most: settling into your new home. Visit the link below to learn more about how 3 Movers can tailor your move and get a free quote. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more moving tips.